Hi everyone, I'm a merit scholar here at HIS, and taking this opportunity has been one of the greatest decisions that I've ever made in my life. I remember applying and feeling really skeptical because I thought this kind of opportunity was out of my reach. But luckily, I grabbed it with both hands, and as soon as I got here, I got exposed to an international form of education that really transformed the way I see the world. I was used to a more local sort of education, being enrolled in the local schools of our country. But coming to this sort of more international approach to education really helped me to grow. It gave me the platform to expand on a social impact project that I started, Code Engage Zimbabwe. And with the guidance, with the tools that I've sort of been equipped with this kind of education, I've been able to grow. I've been able to exert myself in that social impact project because of the perspective that I've gained from this kind of education. I know our country is blessed with a lot of young, amazing people who are doing great things in the community, and I would really encourage anyone who may be interested in taking this opportunity to apply for the HIS Merit Scholarship.